animals that are sick, injured, or orphaned, and it is our job to treat them, get them healthy, raise them up to a point where they have a fighting chance in the wild. In that time, we were so happy to report we've treated something on the order of 3,700 sick, injured, and orphaned wildlife in that time. We've reached over 5,000 students with our education programs. We are the only veterinary hospital on Cape Cod that can care for any of the rabies vector species, so all of your foxes, raccoons, fishers, skunks, you name it, we're full service here. So without this service, there really would be no place for a lot of the wildlife that's found to go. The number of animals we treat pales in comparison to the need for care.